Okay, here's the project I've been working on. This puzzle, which is supposed to be a roller coaster. And it took me about 2 days to put this thing together. And I followed these directions carefully and had a couple of leftover pieces. I think that's okay. So we're going to turn this on, and this car right here is supposed to go up and around. So I'm going to turn the motor on. Whoa! Alright, let's try it one more time. Wow, that works fast. I consider this to be a success.